Hello and welcome back to Just the Chords. Today we're going to be looking at the song Manchild by Sabrina Carpenter. First we'll look at the 3 individual chords that make up this song, then we'll try them out in a fun pattern that works us through all of the sections. This song only has 3 chords, so come along for the ride. It's going to be quick and dirty and fun, just like Sabrina. Here we go. The first chord is a G major. We're gonna spell that G, B, D. This song is in the key of G, so start on G major, G, B, D. There that is in the right hand. I'll often have that up an octave or in different places on the keyboard, and be putting a root in the left hand so we can get a little rhythm and rockin'. Sometimes even 2 roots when I wanna fill out that texture. Let's go on to chord number 2. It's A minor 7. Let's spell that out. It's gonna start on A, then go to C natural, then E natural, there's our A minor, and then G natural, gives us the 7. So that's all white keys, A, C, E, G. Fun chord there. Every other key, all white keys. Remember my left hand, I might do a root. And the third and final chord is C major. We're gonna spell that C, E, G. Key of the people, C major, C, E, G. We love it. And that's all we need to get through the chords of this song. Let's put it into a pattern. So practice with me. Go from G major, G, B, D, to A minor 7. Everything goes up a key. But now it's 4 notes, right? A, C, E, G. And then go up everything 2 keys to C major, C, E, G. And then it restarts. Awesome. Let's do it with some rhythm, some rockin', some texture. The G chord is twice as long as the others. It'll last for like 8 beats, while the others each last for just 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, it's G major, A minor, C major. And that applies to every section. The intro, the chorus, the verses, the bridge, all right? We just play with the texture, how thin or thick we're doing this on the piano. So when I really want to rock, probably 2 octaves in my left hand and a lot more in my right hand, right? G major looks like this now. G major. Break the chord up. And keep rocking it out. That's all you need to be a pro at Sabrina Carpenter's Manchild. We love easy pop songs, and that's what this channel is here for. Go ahead, give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a share, and come on back because practice makes better, all right? I'll see you on the next one. Play on.